For today's video, I will be teaching you how you can see deleted messages on your WhatsApp account. First step, open WhatsApp on your phone and make sure that you are logged in. Once WhatsApp is open, press the settings icon at the bottom right corner of your screen, then look for the chats icon which is just below privacy and above notifications. Once you press chats, it will lead you to this page where you have to look for the chat backup option. Press this button and here, click auto backup. You can change it to daily, monthly, weekly, but changing it to daily means that all messages today will be saved automatically to your iCloud, which will make it easier for you to see if there are any deleted messages. This, however, does not work all the time, especially if the message has been deleted for a long time already. What you can do instead is open App Store on your phone and then on the search tab, search for WhatsApp history. You'll usually see an application that will allow you to download deleted messages, but this usually works on Android phones. If you can't find any app here, you can also open a web browser or Google on your phone and search for WhatsApp History Downloader. Once you've searched this, just go through the Google results and look for the best website or site that would help you re-download or recover deleted messages on WhatsApp. And that's all for this video. If this helped you, don't forget to press like and subscribe.